Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to upgrade on Jetstar Flight. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly menu, and of course your profile. And in the middle of the screen, we have, as you can see, the option to go and book a flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and upgrade on Jetstar Flight. So first of all, go on the website as I told you in the start of the video and click on Manage Booking, which is here. Then enter your booking reference and last name here and find your flight of course. I won't be doing this because I don't have a flight at the moment. When you do that, when you find your booking, select the option to upgrade. Choose the business class option and follow the prompts to complete the upgrade. Pay the upgrade fee, which may vary depending on the route and availability. You can also check for upgrade offers via email a few days before your flight or inquire about upgrades at the airport, subject to availability. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.